So here we're looking at which number is in between the other two. We have 9, 10, and 3. Now remember, whenever we look at our number line, as we go to the right of the number line, the numbers are getting bigger. So anytime you have this kind of problem where you're looking for what number is in between, you always want to put your numbers in order. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, and if we notice we have a 3 in our problem, so we're going to write 3 because that's the first number we came across out of all the numbers in our problem. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that's also another number in our problem, so we're going to write 9, and then 10, which is also the last number in our problem. So we're going to write 10. So what do we notice? 3, 9, and 10. That is the correct order according to our number line. And we can always check our number line if we have any questions in terms of what is the correct order of these numbers. So by looking at this order of 3, 9, and 10, we should figure out that 9 is in between 3 and 10. So the correct answer here is 9. Remember not to get confused. By looking at this, if it says 9, 10, and 3, we can't say that 10 is in between 9 and 3 because we know that that's not the correct order of our numbers. So always remember counting from 1 to 10 in the correct order is really important to help you figure out these problems.